I'm gonna keep. So it's two things I'm doing because again, that's just some sort of idea I got in my head for some. I mean, it's gonna be some drum and bass meets Static X meets Nine Inch Nails meets. So I want to mix. I want to do it for a couple of songs where I mix some drum and bass and some like it's like Let Your Cold Boy Ramstein type drums along with so I want to do that for about 3 or 4 songs, but that's just the off project. That's not going to be something I'm going to be pushing right away because I still have my metal stuff.